Alrighty, we're gonna do a little daily delicious with some black soldier fly larvae. Something like that. It's those words, but I don't remember the order. And we're gonna do a little neck addition for proper viewing. Come on, chickens! Come on! Come here! Do you hear their nails clanking on the cement? Come here! Oh, look, the new girls are coming right off the bat. Come here, new girls, that's okay. That one's more confident of the two. Good girlies, come on. It's okay, come here. Probably not the most ideal spot to be doing this right on the drive, but this way they can, pick them up nice and easily. Yay, here she comes. It's okay, come on. If anyone has any name recommendations for her and her, the two new girls, they're not named yet. Slap them in the comments and we'll see.